Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I don't know if everyone's already done with their fall and Halloween decoration, but I'm just starting. But here I'm going to share with you how I made this skeleton bubble bath or blood bath. I'm going to be making another one for fall or autumn, just in case you don't really celebrate Halloween. Before I start this video though, I want to invite everyone to join my Facebook group. Remember that Amazon Facebook group I told you about in previous videos, where I give you discount codes and it drops the price of certain items? Yeah, so I'll put the link down in the description for the Facebook group and my other YouTube channel, because I did start a second YouTube channel specifically for Amazon deals. Here's an example. This is a deal I found today. You get 12 pack of fairy lights. It's battery operated. They're 7.2 feet, 20 LED lights, and it has good reviews. It's listed for $11.99, but you know that's not how much we're getting it for. We're going to go ahead to our cart and apply this code, and it's going to drop the price to $5.99. You guys, that's 12 fairy lights. That's a better deal than Dollar Tree. So definitely run for this one. It's not going to last long. And if you like deals like that, please be sure to join my Facebook group and subscribe to my other YouTube channel. There's going to be lots of links down in that description. So I'll put the link also for the item and the code that's needed to drop the price down in the description. And I just want to remind you to subscribe to that YouTube channel, because I made that channel because some of you were saying you don't have Facebook. So be sure to subscribe there, because tomorrow I'm going to upload an entire video just full of Halloween decorations and Halloween inflatables. So you want to be sure to save some money, and I'm here to help. Now let's start this DIY. I'm going to start off with 2 of these glass candles from Dollar Tree. I'm going to have them sitting in a pot and waiting for them to melt. But while they're melting, I'm going to go ahead and decorate my bowl. I took the skeleton and I'm going to glue him onto the bowl. Of course, like I always say, take the idea, make it your own. You don't have to use a skeleton if you don't want to. I'm going to also take the spider and glue him on the outside of the bowl. But like I said, take any Halloween or fall items and you can just go ahead and decorate your bowl. So it's that simple. Here's how mine looks. It just has a spider on the outside and that's it. I also have another bowl here that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to turn that one into a candle too, but I didn't have enough candles to make these 2. So I'm going to set that aside for another project. That might be my fall one that I'm going to show you guys later in another video. But now that I have my candles all melted, I'm going to take the wicks out. I took them out with a fork, and I'm going to glue them into my bowl. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you're notified when I upload videos like this one. Now that I'm done gluing down the wicks, it's time to pour. Now, of course, depending on what size your bowl is, you might not need 2 candles. Now, to give this a little bit of color, I'm going to drop in some food coloring, and I'm going to use a craft stick to mix this up. And here's our final product. Here's how it looks, you guys, without it lit. And I did forget to mention that in order to have the wicks stand up straight while drying, you want to have a comb going across or some clothespins and have them not tilted, if that makes any sense. And now here's how it looks lit up. I still felt like something was missing, so I went back with that food coloring and I put a few drops of it on top of the candles. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. I did also add some red on the skeleton himself, so Yeah, so that way it kind of all goes together. But yeah, so this was a super easy project, and I feel like it just gives the room a little pop. So definitely give this one a try. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.